Our topic is transplanting. Ipapakita po namin sa inyo kung paano kami makapag-transplant dito sa garden. At ang kailangan po natin is the pot, the soil, and the runners. So whatever pot you're using at home, you're using in your garden, it doesn't matter, because here in the garden we are using this stackable pot. This they call it a 3D stackable pot that came from Thailand. Ang una namin ginagawa, we take the runner and slice like this. Make sure that you will not cut the root when you slice the plastic. And then after that, we use our 2 fingers to dig a hole. Like that. As you can see here, this one fits the hole. And in here, makikita nyo dito, the umbilical cord, as they call umbilical cord, or yung pusod, facing this way. Why? The topic will be on the next video. So for now, let's cover the runner, and we have to make sure that the crown of the runner is just above the soil. We are not burying the crown of the strawberry runner when we are transplanting, as you can see there. Tingnan natin ang isa. Alright, slice and then take off the runners from the plastic. Then make a hole using my 2 fingers, and then this hole the runners fits on the hole, and then the umbilical cord is facing this way. That's how we do it. This you can see here, and then cover it with the soil. And then let's go and plant the third one. That's the third one. So, ito po yung 3 runners na tinanim ko dito sa stackable pot. And then, after we transplant, we need to water, of course. So after I've watered the plant, it's not final yet, because we have to check. As you can see here, after I've watered it, the umbilical cord and the crown is showing, because the soil gone. So what I need to do is I have to take more soil and cover it this way. So you can see here. That's it. That's how it looks like on the pot. And then the other one, it's the same as well. As you can see here, the umbilical cord and the crown is showing up. So I need to put a little bit of the soil. That's it. And then the next one, the last one, it is the same situation. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, so just a tiny bit. All right. So that's the final. That's the result of transplanting 3 runners to the stackable pot. So hanggang dito lang po tayo. Meron po kami i-discuss sa inyo on our next video. So please make sure to subscribe for updates. Thank you.